This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. It is time for summer fun. Front porches, gorgeous perineal gardens, and close proximity to beaches, locals' favorite restaurants and boating fun. Open floor plan and high ceilings are only the beginning of the benefits of this home. Features include hardwood floors on the first level, recent appliance update, generator, sprinkler system, raised vegetable garden area, paver walkways and patio, recently replaced 2-zone Trane HVAC, media capable in-room over garage, and dedicated 220-volt electrical service in garage for electric car and refrigerator with a Keurig attachment for coffee on demand. Enjoy peaceful dinners on the private screened porch or relaxing in the hot tub on the upper deck. This home is easy.